He hit Morgan 4 times in a fuck. Oh! No, he hit Morgan.
That was 5 hit markers.
Yeah, I'll go for that.
Yeah, you probably got Panther now, won't it?
Oh,
Zach,
Zach, you're gonna have to kill
just
it
try
first.
and let him
You're
kill
gonna have to
you,
let him
Zach.
kill you because
Yeah, I know,
Kai
I know.
can go. Oh, Kai hit
Oh,
Morgan.
I just hit Morgan.
He's planted.
Kai, I'm so glad I spectated you then.
Fucking hell, Zach. Imagine you all
Zach.
blinded. There's gonna be a guy who rushes here, Artemis.
If
I'm
we
sure
don't
you
get 20 moments, I'll just fucking whack a shotgun trick shot off with. Why the fuck not?
What? No, fuck off. This is my video.
Whoa.
Fuck off, it's my video.
Fuck off. No, I seen it. I spectated you.
Oh, I thought we told you one day.
No, it was me and Leighton.
I'll never die. I'm tagging.
Going up till it's over, love, till we lose control. So keep your love locked down, your love locked down, keeping your love locked down, your love locked down. Now keep your love locked down, your love locked down. Now keep your love locked down.
Little shot, man. Fuck me.
There is no special.
We could defo hit.
That's nice, I did.
I forgot to reload, but I'm sorry.
Of course, I was mid-8.
George.
Alright, looks like I can't go for fucking shotgun trick shots this game, boys.
Go for foul trick shots.
And I'll go for foul trick shots.
I go for intervention trick shots. I think that's unique. No?
Do a new series called Sniper Trick Shot.
Do you think anyone's ever done that before?
Probably not.
Trick shotting with snipers.
Can you hit the shotgun from on top plane to there?
Oh, sick.
Oh, hit Morgan.
Done with it.
Again.
Oh, boys.
Oh, hit Martin, what?
Oh, hit Morgan again.
Fuck me, man.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
so you like going through
Fuck me.
I'm going bet.
I hit. Oh, hit.
There's no shotgun hit.
Fuck off, boys.
I didn't get reload again because it's a left spin.
From the inside.
Yeah.
Boys, I hit about 16
Wow,
clicks.
720.
What?
I hit Martin, but right on my
Get over
barrel.
yourself, guys. It's just a bit of fun.
Burger Town.
Yeah, it's one in Burger Town.
He's gonna get the diddly doo-dah.
Make sure he's not the one with the right shield.
Here's Johnny.
Get in.
No!
Oh, Kai!
The kid with the right shield dead.
Kai! Oh. Fuck me, I thought he was out to kill
Scary
me.
like that, boss. Fuck.
Me?
Hit markered.
Another life.
Oh, Kai hit.
Oh,
Get him,
fucking
boys.
hell, every round there's a shot. Are you having me on?
I was getting up on top plane, lads, it's right.
Everyone's got a
Oh,
clip.
I
but
look
me.
nice, I did.
Mate, this is literally going to be like a 20-minute video of pauses,
Yeah.
just with trick shots.
The thing is, though, I can
I've
still
got
fucking...
wait there. I've got 6 hit markers. No, I've got 8 hit markers and 2 shots. Fucking hell.
I think...
God, 1v5 clutch.
You ain't never seen a clutch like this. That's the fucking thing.
There's a kid top trick shot. There's a kid top trick shot.
He's coming in, boys.
Whoa!
Oh.
God, come on.
I want
He's
it!
going
See
right
ya!
by his gun.
Yeah, he's so
Top trick
good.
shot. Oh.
Yes,
Fucking that I
George.
love, John.
You killed the fucking tri-complex guy, Kynes, yeah.
Master TPA. Fucking hell.
Oh, I hit Morgan.
He's active also.
He was a lot closer than what I thought he was.
I got fancy shots.
These shotguns ain't really reliable, are they? Fuck me.
Yeah.
I hit Morgan
He's
again.
after it again.
Holy shit, did he?
Yeah.
Man. That looked well weird to me. Pause. He looked like he fucking. Again! What the fuck?
Oh, you're aimbot.
Did he just hit me off?
4 hit markers in a row, man.
He hit Morgan
Hold on.
4 times in a fuck. Oh, no! He hit Morgan.
That's aimbot.
That was 5 hit markers.
You like the way I flick my tongue, you can ride my